Hi there. Today I am going to show you how to add a Amazon affiliate product in your WordPress website. I will show you step by step and very detailed. So don't want to talk more. Let's go to the main topic. So here you can see the WordPress admin panel, and this is my client project. Already I made this website by using WordPress. Everything. So already I added lots of product, but my client requires some more products. That's why I am adding more products here. So here I am trying to add a new product, and I show you how to add the product step by step. So this is the product. This is the affiliate link. This affiliate link provided my client. So when you want to work with your client, or you want to work for your client, then your client will be share you or send you the link for their affiliate. So this is our client affiliate link. So first I am making copy this link in there, and then I am going to my admin panel in WordPress dashboard. Then I am going to product, then all product, and here is all already 68 product are added. So now I am making to add a new product. That's why I need to click here, add new product. So this is our product add dashboard. There is show product name, there is show product description, there is the product data, everything, and also there is short description, and there is I added rank math SEO. That's why there is show here, and also the right side here is show the option for categories tags, and there is the product image and product gallery. So first of all I just copied my product link. That's why I make here to click here for paste my affiliate link. That's why I need to select the external affiliate product. When I click here, then I show the new features. There is product URL. That's mean the affiliate product URL. I just copied this link, and now I am pasting here. And now I add a button. My button name is buy now by default. That's why I making this, no problem. And now I need to add the price. So there is the product price is $12. So I'm making there $13 or yeah, $13, and there is 12.99. This is the exact price, and this is not need to any calculate. Just you can put it 2x or 3x product price. So now I need to make sure the categories, because my website is categorized kitchen product, home decor, popular product, everything. So I need to make define this is a kitchen product, and this is not most popular, this is a new arrival product. But I am making sure both tag and also all product. When my customers will be click all products, then they show all products, not the categorize. So now I need to add product photos. Actually this is manual process for add the product. So I'm making here and save this product photo, 2 3 or 4 as you want, no problem here. This is a glass cleaning product, and then I need to copy the title. So I make sure the copy a small part, and then I need to paste this title product name here, and also the photos. So first of all I need to add the product image. So I need to upload the product image in my downloads. Here is everything, the 3 photos I just now downloaded. When they are uploaded, then I need to choose one photo for my first image. So this one is very clean, so I am making sure this image, and after then I need to add gallery photos. So here is already uploaded, that's why I'm make sure both of selected. Now I need to the last part for edit, the description. So this I am making a description there, just this part for short description, and this part I'm not copying all, just this part. There is not any problem for copy as like this, because there is a affiliate product, because the main product is already copied, so there is nothing to make copied. So I make sure publish this product. So when my product is published, then I can easily refresh my page and I will show you how to look this product. So when I come here, then the best selling part, I was added the best selling tag, most popular, that's why there is show already. So I'm clicking this product here, and when I click in buy now, this is everything here. When I click buy now, then it will be go in the Amazon directly. So this is everything. So if you enjoy this video, then like, share and subscribe my video, subscribe my YouTube channel. So have a good day.